Okay, so today's unboxing video is of this first generation Apple Pencil. This is basically going to accompany my new 9.7-inch iPad. So yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing. On the front of the box, picture of the pencil. On the top and bottom, just says Apple Pencil. Nothing on the sides. And on the back, just says Apple Pencil, how to charge it, what devices it's compatible with, Apple information, barcode, serial number, and all that. So I have a pair of scissors right here. Let's go ahead and open the box. For this, I'm just gonna rip it open. Okay, pull this tab. First thing that you would notice is a box. Within the box, I believe these are the replacement tips for the pencil, quick start guide, product information, and no Apple stickers for this one. Okay, so further inside is the pencil itself. Does look like a pencil, but yeah. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Apple Pencil. Thanks for watching and goodbye.